Things you never knew you could do with toothpaste. 1. To remove acne and pimples overnight. You will need 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. 2 teaspoons of toothpaste. Mix all ingredients to get a thick paste. Apply this paste by the help of earbud directly onto your pimples. Remember not to apply this paste with your finger, as you may get finger bacteria to spread on your pimples, which leads to more pimples to pop out on your face. Most of the people, due to lack of knowledge, do this mistake. Apply this paste overnight daily until your pimples are totally gone. 2. To remove dark spots from your skin. You will need 1 teaspoon baking powder. 2 half tablespoon tomato juice. 3 half tablespoon Colgate toothpaste. Take a bowl and all 3 ingredients and mix it well. Apply it on your dark spots and keep it for 20 minutes and then wash off with lukewarm water. Apply twice in a week. 3. To remove blackheads and whiteheads. You will need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 tablespoon of Colgate toothpaste. Mix ingredients and apply to nose and exfoliate your by moving brush in circular motion onto your nose for 5 minutes. This will give your blackheads and whiteheads from your nose and make it clean. 4. To achieve pink lips or lip exfoliator. You will need 1 tablespoon of Colgate toothpaste. 2 half tablespoon of honey. Take some amount of toothpaste and honey and apply this mixture to exfoliate your lips by moving brush in circular motion for 5 minutes, then wash off with cold water. In this way you will achieve pink and rosy lips. 5. Skin whitening. A toothpaste can whiten your teeth, so it can also whiten your skin. This mask will not only lighten your skin tone, but it will also remove any suntan. If you want to give your skin a refreshed look after long exposure to the sun, this mask is absolutely brilliant. Apply this for at least 15 minutes. You will notice instantly that your skin becomes brighter and glowing. 6. Soothe burns. Burns aren't easy to deal with, but some non-gel toothpaste can bring some relief. Apply some toothpaste to the burn area after plunging the affected part under water. 7. Instantly whiten yellow nails. Cooking needs a lot of patience and involves plenty of spices that can ruin and dirty your nails or stain them too. Let those nails not suffer anymore. Rub a little toothpaste on the stains quickly after cooking and wait for 5 minutes. Wash off under cold water later, and that is how you use this secret.